The following video is a Lehman 357 short production. So, I traded in one of my long guns last week and bought this new Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 380 EZ. Easy as in easy to operate, easy to load, easy to shoot, and easy to field strip. Or at least that's what they say. Today, I'm out at the range, taking my first shots with this baby and sharing the experience. I'm shooting a mix of ammo, Federal and Winchester full metal jacket, and some premium Sig Sauer V Crown jacket hollow points. I've been wanting to own a 380 for a while now, never had one before. I figure this may be a good gun to share with my wife. We've only gone to the shooting range twice together, mostly with 22s. I figured a 380 would be an excellent step up. So why did I pick the EZ? Well, I like the looks and features on the gun. Very similar in size and appearance to the M&P 22 Compact I own. And that's been a great gun. Also, I have some serious nerve damage to my hands due to a neck injury. I'm not going to go into too much detail on that, but let's just say I can really appreciate the easy features on this gun. Well folks, I fired 170 rounds today and did not experience a single issue. I think this gun is going to be a real fine shooter. Adios amigos, happy trails.
That's all, folks.